Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Let's do a tour of this little plant room. See what we see, spot the difference. Interesting G-Wiz, or whatever they're called, G-E-W-I-S-S. Isolators. I can tell you I've not seen those before. Have you? Put it in the comments. Okay, what else do we see in this plant room? This is interesting here. I've not seen one of these. Looks like it's just like a stand for the header. Yeah, it's quite interesting. I like the way these valves are lined up here like this. It looks very pretty. And then on the other side, what else is there? They have got the trap on the, they've built in their own trap. You can just make your own trap. Sometimes people buy traps, but you can make your own, but it's good for it to be accessible so that you can clear it out with a blockage. What else? These are the Remayas, I believe what they're called. Remaya Ace, that's it. This looks like a 500, is it 500 litre or more? I think it might be more. Let's have a look. What size is this? Something I don't really see. I see it's an MV 500, maybe it's 500 litre. And then this over here is the pressurization unit. This looks like a dirt and air separator, Spirotech. And then the pumps are facing the right way, which is good. What valve is that down there? It's an SP valve. Okay, it says main school pump. Okay. Bit of spare lagging over there. Another pump over there. Let's see if we can get around here. So we've got these traps going in here, the condensates. Nursery, okay. Constant temperature flow sensor, that's good to know. They've got everything labelled up, that's nice. And then look, differential pressure switch. Okay. And then down here, what is this? This is a jet stainless steel dosing pot. Yes. Sonny. Oh, nice. Okay. So I've got one on this side, one on the other side of the pump down here. Okay, and these are Magna 1D40, and I believe that's the same. And this is a very good plant room in my opinion so far. You've got the gauges either side so you can see if the pump is running. Good, that sounds nice and hollow. What am I missing inside here? There's a lot of lagging. The Flue has got a nice fall on it. What else do we have in here? This lagging down here, good lagging. It's a very good plant room. It's tiny. Oh, and there's even a carbon monoxide detector, a natural gas detector, or a methane detector, should I say, and a carbon monoxide detector. There's thermal links above every boiler. There's a smoke alarm there. PRV here. Balancing valve. Okay, I'm gonna have a look to see what else I can find in here. It's interesting how that valve is down there. I've not seen one like that on the floor in that sort of angle. It's kind of interesting. So the gas supply, so we've got a butterfly here, and it goes through here. Then there's another gas supply going through here. Something capped there. Alright, let's have a look inside here. So, boiler room supply, air fan, and then the meter over there. 65, a U65 meter, and there's also a detector up there. This is very good plant room. The clipping could be better on this bit of pipe, but that's okay. Then there's a isolation for the gas supply, and then you got your differential pressure switch here. And there's a sign here, which is good to have. You can catch the drawings, it's good to see the drawings, the valves. And then over this side. Apologies if my hand is not very steady. I'm going to have a look inside the control panel. Okay, always look out for the safety mat underneath the panel. This panel doesn't have a safety mat. So let's have a little look. Has anything tripped in here? Don't see anything tripped. This is pretty cool. I've not seen this before. Okay, what do we have in here? We've got typical relays. The model is a Omron MY4INGS. And then we got the DDC controllers. And these are Trend IQ4Es, 16DI, 16DI and 8DO. The inputs and the outputs you can see there. Transformer, your Ethernet connection. There's one here you can plug in. Okay, what are we missing inside here? So it's saying 230 volts. I don't think inside here we have any three phase as far as I'm aware. Okay, what else have we got inside here? Don't see any signs of asbestos. This is the fire safety circuit, gas detection panel. What else do we have inside here? No asbestos signs. And oh, is this an old gas supply? Fire alarm. Extinguishers, foam and carbon dioxide. First aid kit. Do you see a first aid kit? I don't see any first aid kit in here. There should be one. You can always make mention of it, saying, can you put one in there please, just in case. What model is this? Probably two pumps inside there. Let's have a look inside here at the pumps in a moment. And the boiler, what make is the boiler? I saw what make it was, what? It's akin to Ace, but how much kilowatts is it? I don't see it at the back. Is it on the top? Maybe you can see that. Hopefully you could see that because I can't. I'm going to have a look inside here and then maybe go and have a look up here as well in a moment. Alright, bear me a second. Okay, here's a look inside, and I don't know if you've changed these before, but they're quite good to change. Good little jobs to have. Okay, I don't think I've seen this little expansion vessel in here before. And also I've not seen these valves before. They're kind of different. I'm used to the flexi connections. Press fit beta. Okay. And inside here you've probably got more. Romea Ace 135. Okay. What do we have up here? Okay, the Flue, open fluid. And I think you even got the Flue company there. Cool, Flue looks in good condition. Maybe it won't corrode as quick as some other Flues I've seen. I don't know if I've missed anything. I think I've covered a lot of what's in here. This seems like this low-level supply to the plant room. That's possibly extract. Let's have a look inside here again. Okay. Yeah, it's possibly extract. High-level extract. Supply and extract. It's funny, I didn't see that on the panel. Magnetic cleaner, interesting. I've not seen that on the panel before. Magnetic cleaner. Alarm. Okay, supply fan. There we go. Okay, this is quite a good plant room in my opinion. A very good one. One of the best I've seen in a while. I don't like seeing anything in a plant room, any combustible materials at all, but that's not much, is it? I've seen worse. Gas pipe looks like steel, it's flanged. What else is there? Yeah, a few interesting little features in this plant room. Put some things in the comments below. Okay, until next time, bye.